Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala from Grace Healing Homoeopathy. Let us today discuss a very interesting medicine, MOSCHUS. MOSCHUS, if you want to prescribe, you must remember one thing in MOSCHUS: spoiled children. Spoiled child is MOSCHUS. Now, whenever if you get a MOSCHUS patient, now you have to understand whether the child is spoiled or not. Apart from this, there are few symptoms which I have seen in my practice, which I'll share with you a case also, and then I'll discuss some symptoms of MOSCHUS. I had a case where the patient came inside and he just started like this, as if fighting. And the mother said he's like this only. He does not behave properly. He just does what he wants. He just wants to fight, and like that. And immediately I had read something in MOSCHUS like gestures makes fightings with hand. And of course he was a spoiled child, and MOSCHUS cured the case. There was a second case where where we have that patient says, "Oh, खूप तकलीफ है." Whenever I lie down, I feel the bone as if broken. Wherever I lie down, I feel my bone will break. Now, whenever there's a breaking bone pain, we normally think about ubiquitous perforatum, but it is MOSCHUS. A very interesting and important symptom that pain as if broken where the patient lies, on the part where the patient lies. Very important symptom of MOSCHUS. Third symptom, a MOSCHUS patient is always busy, weak. Everything falls from the hand. With the symptom of epilepsy mellifica, where awkward, drop things while handling them. When this fails, MOSCHUS is a very important remedy. The patient feels everything will fall from his hand, and that's why there is a lot of loathing of life, like disgust, hatred, with vertigo. A patient of vertigo, when he came to me, said, "Doctor Sahab, now what's there in life? Nothing will happen. I am so unhappy. I'm so that." The typical symptom of loathing you can see in this feeling of intense dislike. That's a hatred. That's loathing. So loathing with vertigo is a very important symptom of MOSCHUS. As you go ahead, because of that spoiled child, there is a lot of restlessness. So restlessness with asthma, restlessness with digestive complaints. This again is a very important symptom of MOSCHUS. Now, because the child is spoiled, he does not behave properly, sometimes becomes antisocial. After that, if you try to scold the child, there is a lot of weeping and anger. And a MOSCHUS child has a lot of weeping, a lot of anger, a lot of quarreling. He quarrels so much, even to, it is said, even to malice and rage. This is the anger, this is the rage, this is the, weeping and anger of MOSCHUS. So 2-3 cases, and that's why I wanted to tell you something on MOSCHUS. After this, still if the patient does not control himself, there's one symptom which I have seen in a lot of MOSCHUS patients is talks about death. Now, what is the use of living? Nobody, is being good to me. Previously, I was such a good, pampered with my mother, father. Now, they are also not there. Now, people don't understand me, and he keeps on getting reasons because he's not able to adjust in the society. So, talks about that. These are general cases which I have seen in my practice. I have discussed with you. Again, if we recap the symptom, first is talks about death. Second is busy, weak. Everything falls from the hand. Makes gestures, fighting with hands. Loathing in general with vertigo. Restlessness in asthma. Restlessness with digestive complaints. Pain broken, as if the part of the bone is broken where the patient lying while, and weeping in anger, quarreling, every muscle, is so extreme that it can go to malice and rage. These are the symptoms of MOSCHUS, and these are the cases which I have seen in my practice. The most important symptom, spoiled child. Okay, but in spoiled child there are other 3-4 remedies. So MOSCHUS, this symptom of spoiled child with symptoms which I have discussed will give you a complete picture of MOSCHUS. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.